The JKL-123 refrigerator, the essential appliance every home needs.
Let us talk today about the powerful combination of Hermes Agent and Grok LLM to generate eye-catching videos with voiceover and music. We waste AI credits repeating prompts for visuals, voiceovers, and music just to get one good video. But this opening video was generated by Hermes Agent with Grok as the brain. It handled everything automatically, and honestly, the result looks stunning. Here's the setup I used. First, I configured Grok as the LLM and FAL.ai as the video generation framework inside Hermes Agent. I selected XAI, Grok Models, Direct API as the provider, and since my configuration was already completed, Hermes simply asked whether I wanted to keep the existing settings. The Grok API key was obtained directly from the XAI developer portal at console.x.ai. Looking at my usage over the last 30 days, the total cost was under $2, which is surprisingly budget-friendly for the capabilities it provides. For the best reasoning and generation quality, I selected Grok 4.3 as the primary model. To enable video generation, I also configured a FAL.ai API key. With Grok handling the reasoning and prompt generation and FAL.ai handling the video rendering pipeline, Hermes was able to orchestrate the entire workflow seamlessly, combining AI reasoning with video generation inside a single agent framework. On Hermes Agent, I gave this prompt: create a cinematic 10-second peaceful forest sunrise video with rivers, waterfalls, birds, soft wind ambience, cinematic drone shots, atmospheric fog, and ultra-realistic 4K calming nature visuals. Then Hermes started responding by formulating, brainstorming, pondering, and contemplating the entire scene in real time before generating the final output. It carefully analyzed the mood, visuals, cinematic atmosphere, camera movements, and natural ambience to create a more realistic and immersive video experience. On Hermes Agent, I gave this prompt: create a cinematic 10-second ad featuring a casual wear model in a modern kitchen, introducing the JKL-123 refrigerator as an essential appliance for every home. Show the model opening the fridge, organizing fresh food and drinks, and speaking confidently to the camera. Include smooth cinematic camera movements, premium kitchen lighting, realistic appliance sounds, warm lifestyle ambience, and ultra-realistic commercial visuals in 4K. Then Hermes immediately started responding by formulating, brainstorming, pondering, contemplating, and carefully analyzing the entire commercial workflow before generating the final output. It was fascinating to watch how the agent did not simply generate random visuals instantly, but instead appeared to reason through the entire advertisement structure step by step like a professional creative production team. Hermes began understanding the mood and purpose of the advertisement first. It identified that the scene needed to feel modern, premium, warm, and family-oriented because the refrigerator was being positioned as an essential appliance for every household. Then it started analyzing the kitchen environment itself: the lighting setup, reflections on the refrigerator surface, natural placement of fruits and beverages, modern interior aesthetics, and the realistic interaction between the model and the product. What impressed me the most was how Hermes seemed to think cinematically. It started conceptualizing smooth camera transitions, close-up product showcase shots, slow-motion refrigerator door opening scenes, and professional commercial-style movements that you would normally expect from a real advertising production workflow. It also appeared to reason through how the casual wear model should behave naturally in the scene, from organizing food items to confidently speaking toward the camera with a relatable and trustworthy presence. The entire process genuinely felt like watching an autonomous AI creative director operating in real time. Instead of acting like a simple chatbot, Hermes behaved more like an intelligent production assistant capable of understanding storytelling, cinematic composition, product marketing psychology, camera choreography, and commercial presentation workflows simultaneously. This is where the combination of Hermes Agent and Grok becomes incredibly powerful. Grok handled the reasoning and scene understanding, while Hermes orchestrated the workflow, memory, tools, and generation process together into a structured cinematic output. Watching the agent think through the advertisement scene before generating the result was honestly one of the most mind-blowing parts of the experience. I asked Hermes Agent to download the generated video directly to my desktop and it completed the task successfully. Just look at how sophisticated and cinematic this entire video generation process turned out.
The JKL123 refrigerator, the essential appliance every home needs.
If you found this video interesting, be sure to check out my video, I tested Hermes Agent. In that video, I take a deeper dive into one of Hermes' most powerful features, the self-improving skills system powered by skills.md, and show how the agent learns, remembers, and creates reusable workflows over time.